Shwmae pawb, hefyd rwy'n efo'r artistiad Ffion and Lois Davis. Hello everyone, today I'm here with the artists Ffion and Lois Davis. So shwmae i'r ddau o chi. Diolch am fod efo ni heddiw. Oed ti'n gallu dweud tym bach amdano'ch gwaith chi ni?
Okay. Wel, ar y funud, fi'n gweithio ar project major fi, so last project o'r uni, a enw project fi yw Still World, so fi'n edrych ar fel natural forms, yeah, so just yn screen printo, so fi'n arbenigo mewn fel interior maker, so fi'n gallu wneud fel cerameg hefyd a fabric a lot o gwahanol stuff really. So at the moment I'm working on my major project for my final term in uni, and my project focuses on still world, that's the title of it, and I'm looking at like the still life of the outside, so looking at natural forms and more like the linear forms of flowers and stuff.
Cool, swnio'n fab. A beth ydi gwaith ti amdano?
So ar y foment, wel, fi'n neud major project a fi'n ffocysu, o enw fe yw hiraethu cei, so mae fe am fel cei newydd, seaside, fel lle sy'n quite personol i fi, a yn y project hefyd fi wedi bod yn edrych lot ar textiliau Cymraeg a fel y garllen Cymraeg, so fel Welsh blanket, bethau. A so fi wedi bod yn lot o paint o pethau, a wedyn fi'n kind of mynd â hwnna i fabric fi, a na fel mae fe'n, I don't know, os ti'n gweld hwnna.
Edrych yn cool.
Neud e mewn i fel repeats a pethau, a wedyn fi wedi iwso lot o fel gwlan mwyn cael fel yr aesthetic na o fel cartref Cymraeg. So at the moment I'm doing a major project called Hiraethu Cei, which means a nostalgia for Cei Newydd, which is somewhere quite personal, and it's quite a personal like project, but it's inspired also by Welsh textiles, Welsh blankets, and that's why I've used a lot of wool in my work. Focusing on homeware and interiors mainly, so yeah.
Cool, swnio'n fab. Nawr, tym bach amdano ysbrydoliaeth chi. Oes yna unrhyw amseroedd penodol neu artistiaid penodol sydd yn ysbrydoli gwaith ti? So that was lovely, thank you very much. So a little bit about your inspiration. Are there any specific art movements or artists that directly influence your work?
Mae eitha lot. Mae list really hir o artistiaid, a mae'r list cadw tyfu in a way, neu gwa. I'd say mae Matisse yn fel constant ysbrydolaeth fel ers i fi fod yn fach, fel wneud cut-outs yn ysgol. A fi dal yn hoffi defnyddio fel bloc o lliwiau, fel gwahanol. Yn credu mae'n wneud fel really nice fel composition. Fel ti?
Fi'n credu mae mwy o fel designers na artistiaid, ond weithiau mae fe'n bach o mixture really, ond fi'n credu... Wel ar y foment mae Cyffin Williams wedi kind of ysbrydoli fi yn rhain, achos fi yn gwneud lot o fel landscapes yn a major project.
Matisse has always inspired me since I was small with his cutouts, and the colours as well, like the primary colours and how you can mix them to make other colours. And I think they always kind of, like using block colours and shapes always make a nice composition, I feel, and it's always where I end up in my work, but
I think I am inspired more by designers than, well, bit of both, bit of both actually, goes back and forth, but I think currently, Cyffin Williams has inspired my major project because I've been looking a lot at landscapes and seascapes and then putting that into repeating designs then.
Fab, diolch yn fawr. So question olaf nawr. So thank you very much. Just the last question now. So oed ti, a os ti yn, pam oed ti'n meddwl fod yn pwysig I dathlu dy heriaeth yn dy gwaith di? So why do you think it's important to celebrate your Welsh heritage within your work? If you think it's important.
Yeah, it is important.
Ti wastad I edrych yn o fel, mae Cymru yn dod yn gwaith ti lot, neu gyda?
Yeah, fel fi wastad fel...
Especially Patrwm Bank.
Yeah, yn prosiect arall nes I edrych ar Sir Benfro a y tirlun gytre, achos Sir Benfro I ble fi'n byw, ble mae teulu fi'n byw. A mae fe just, I don't know, fel, ar dechrau'r prosiect ti wastad yn mynd fel mas I fas I cael ysbrydoliaeth fel ni'n byw yng Nghymru. A mae fe wastad yn benni fyna hefyd, ti'n dechrau na a benni na, achos ti wastad yn... It's a hard, hiraeth is a hard word, I feel that.
Yeah.
It's in translation, even.
Yeah. No.
Like a longing.
Very, yeah.
Yeah. Neu fath o connection i'r Cymru, mewn ffordd.
Yeah, I feel like even yn y dyfodol, bydde like, beth ti wastad yn cysylltu fe gyda gytre.
Yeah.
In another project that I did this year, I looked at the Pembrokeshire landscape and try and weave that into my work by looking at like the outlines of mountains and stuff. And I feel like you always turn to the outside for inspiration to start a project, and you always end up like finishing it there as well.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's always there, if you know what I mean. Like,
yeah.
Sy'n un dda? A sut mae'n effeithio ti?
Oh, okay. Wel, fi'n credu mae fe yn dod yn gwaith fi eitha lot. Fel, obviously, fi'n neud ar, major project fi ar Cynewydd. Mae hwnna'n lle o Gymru, a wedyn edrych ar y garsen Cymraeg. A nes I wneud traethawd fi am textiliau Cymraeg. So fi'n credu mae hwnna, a wedyn dath yn nôl mewn I major project fi fel plethu nôl mewn i'r... mae fe definitely yn dod, like, mae fe yn y concept.
Yeah. Neges.
Yeah, mae fe neges neu'r thema wastad yn dod nôl I Gymru rhyw ffordd.
Yeah.
So, I think Wales and Welsh culture definitely is a reoccurring sort of, has an element to my work, especially the Welsh textiles. Which I talked about in my dissertation a lot, and then it kind of just rolled into my major project. So I think the culture definitely influences my work, and it always will.
Yeah.
It's always part of it, so yeah.
Cool, diolch yn fawr o siarad efo ni heddi. So thank you for speaking to us, that was great.
Yeah, diolch.